Garlic, that little culinary gem that makes just about everything, other than dessert, taste better. Now, I've never grown garlic before, so I did some research, and I learned that there are some types of garlic that are good for my area and sometimes types that aren't. And there are two main types of garlic. There's a hard neck garlic and a soft neck garlic. The hard neck garlic I cannot grow. That is the garlic that is grown in northern climates, zone 5 or below, where you get a good cold winter. Now those are the cool kind though, because they produce scapes. And scapes are those really cool, like flower buds that are also edible, but they also look really cool. Soft neck garlic is grown in mostly southern climates, where we're zone 6 or above. And that is the garlic that I at least find in my grocery store. There's no stem that goes through the garlic to the root, it's all bulbs. And so that's the main difference. Now, what I did learn that I didn't know is that just like tulips, and in my video last week when I was talking about tulips, planting them in here, I said in Southern California, we have to put them in the refrigerator for 6 weeks before we plant. Now apparently that's good for garlic as well. Maybe not necessary 100%. And because I was ready to plant these today and I've got 2, I'm gonna try it both ways. So one of these I put in the refrigerator, and in a month I will plant it next to these. But this one I'm gonna plant today, and we're gonna see. Always using my garden as a laboratory, we're gonna see which one does better. Or if they both fail completely, I'll let you know that as well. So this is a seed garlic, and I guess you can use the kind from the grocery store, but I've heard that sometimes they don't work as well. And you just do it as if you were gonna be cooking with it. You break it into all the little cloves. All right, so how many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you want to amend the soil, which I already did with some good organic compost. And you can add in a well-balanced fertilizer. I'm gonna use liquid seaweed like I usually do. And you wanna plant each little clove pointy side up, flat side down, and you want to plant them about 2 inches deep. You also want to plant them about 4 inches apart. You also want to select a spot that's in full sun. And I don't have a lot of those in the winter time, but this right here is pretty much the sunniest spot of the vegetable garden. And so that's where I'm going to put them. So what I'm going to do is take the back half of this bed, and this is where I'm going to plant the ones today. And then on the front half of the bed, that's where I will plant the ones in a month that I get out of the refrigerator. So 4 inches apart. Okay. Now just push them down about 2 inches. That's pretty simple. Now I haven't grown garlic before because I heard it was temperamental in southern climates, and sometimes it doesn't bulb and you get one big fat garlic instead of having it cleave into all the different cloves. So we'll see. I'm not going to get overly optimistic, but as always, it's an experiment and we'll see what happens, and I'll do it here so that you guys know how it can work for you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and I will see you guys on the next video.